How to add an admin on your Facebook business page. I'm Georgianne from GSD Solutions, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Once you're in the Manage Page section of your Facebook page, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to Settings. Once you click Settings, you're going to go under Audience and Visibility where you see Page Setup. Click Page Setup. On the right side of the page, you're going to see Page Access. You're going to go ahead and click Page Access. Once you're inside of Page Access, you're going to go ahead and decide how you want to share access with those people. If you want them to be community managers or access specific parts, or if you want them to access the entire Facebook page. Then you're going to select Add New. This is what will give you a prompt with additional details. You could go ahead and click Next, and then you could search for the person's name that you'd like to add as the page admin. It'll then show you what access they'll have, and you could allow the person to have full control if that's what you see fit. Next, you click Give Access. Once you click Give Access, it's going to prompt you to put in your Facebook profile password. This is going to be the password to your actual Facebook personal page. This is because your personal page is the manager of your business page. Your business page does not have its own password, and your business page cannot live without being connected to a person's personal page. So go ahead and put the password in for your personal page. Once you put in your password and hit confirm, it'll then prompt you to see that you have now added the person, and on the person's side, they will get a notification in which they must accept within 31 days. If this expires, you can add them again using the same exact process. I hope this video was helpful and allowed you to solve how to add a Facebook page admin on your business page. If you need additional operations or tech support, go ahead and schedule a call with our experts at gsdsolutionsinc.com. If this video was helpful, be sure to like the video, share, as well as subscribe to our channel, and comment any questions you may have down below. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.